Hi, this is Anna, and this is Check It at the Round Table, where we discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. Today, we are discussing an unboxing of the Peppermint Field inhaler from Thailand. For those of you familiar with the Bad Buddy series, this was a featured item that was promoted as you could buy it at 7-Eleven. I actually bought this one on my trip to Thailand here in May for a month to Phuket. I bought it at, I think, a mini C in Thailand, but you can buy them, I'm sure, at a 7-Eleven. I just didn't see it there. This was 29 THB, or about 90 cents. So we're gonna check this out. These are very popular in Thailand. They have all different kinds of inhalers. I personally think it's because it gets so very hot there that people have trouble breathing because of the humidity, and this kind of clears out their nasal passages. That's what I'm going with as an idea why. But anyway, so this has menthol, peppermint oil, camphor, Borneo, eucalyptus, and other oils, and it's got a cute little shape to it. Oh, that does smell nice. It's a much nicer shaped packet than I'm used to, like in the States. Like, for example, you have this little bundle that has the essential oil in it, or the oils of some kind. I'm not sure they're essential. And then you have this little drip dispenser at the top. You can do this. And then you have the little nasal with the sponge thing. It does smell quite nice. It doesn't really smell that pepperminty, to be honest. And then, like, for example, I'm going to show you guys, this is the inhaler I got from the US. This is just a Walgreens inhaler. They come in a solid piece of plastic you cannot separate, and they aren't nearly as attractive as this little trendy number. Plus, I can say I have Pran's inhaler now. I'm like, ooh. I'm not really sure it really clears the nasal cavities, to be honest. I'm like, it's not that strong of a smell. I was expecting like to be blown away by the awesomeness of peppermint, but I'm like, it's very faint tones. So if you're looking for something that is strong nasal cleansing power, it's probably not going to be this black inhaler by Peppermint Field, but still, it's very cute and trendy, and it'll fit perfect in my big honking backpack. I was sitting here the other day going, Anna, I left the States several months ago, and I still haven't bought a purse. I just take my big honking backpack everywhere. I'm like, it doesn't honk. It doesn't go honk honk, but I mean, very large backpack. And I'm like, I maybe should get a smaller bag because I don't maybe need the big honking backpack. But anyway, that's for another podcast. But this is the Black Inhaler review. I highly endorse it just because you can put it on your shelf by your Bad Buddy DVD collection if that's something you so desire. But I do not recommend it for being very good at nasal cleansing power because it's not that strong. Check it at the round table. Bye.